Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading the company in Tally, Prime, and verifying the Windows printer is installed. This avoids surprises later. Once done, go to Gateway of Tally and open the printing configuration. This is where you select the physical printer and default paper size. Make sure to choose the correct printer model and paper orientation. These choices control layout and margins. Also check that Tally has permission to access the printer on your PC before you proceed to detailed formatting. You now refine the detailed settings. Pick the exact paper size, for example A4 or 80 mm for receipt printers, and set orientation and margins to match your stationery. Once selected, use the print preview to confirm alignment. This step prevents wasted paper and reprints. Then configure receipt templates, header/footer options, and any printer-specific escape sequences if you use thermal printers. Make sure to save the profile so future prints reuse the same configuration and preserve consistency. You finish by saving the configuration and running a test print of a voucher or invoice to confirm everything aligns correctly. If text is truncated or misaligned, adjust margins or switch the template and retest. Small margin tweaks often resolve the problem. If the test still fails, restart Tally Prime and the printer, and confirm the Windows printer driver is correct. Troubleshooting tip: when persistent misprints occur, change to a generic driver temporarily to isolate driver versus Tally template issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.